Hello, faithful founders of Onpassive. Keep on believing, and very soon we will all be smiling from ear to ear. Onpassive is the ticket to wherever we want to go. Onpassive is the business that has no equal. When we became founders, we stepped into the greatness that is Onpassive. Think of a life without Onpassive. That would be a scary thought. Remember, patience is a virtue. We will all be rewarded for our trust in Mr. Ash Mufareh and his staff of extraordinary AI developers in high-tech city Hyderabad, India. All of us are excited about what is about to happen in our lives. Let us enjoy every exciting moment of this never-to-be-repeated or duplicated journey of Onpassive. The suffering people who have almost given up on life are waiting for our help. Onpassive and we founders will not disappoint them. They are all precious. Onpassive is the magnificent gift to humanity. As Onpassive opens to the world, founders in Onpassive are in unique positions to influence humanity in a positive way. Founders are selfless, self-sacrificing, and dedicated to making differences in the lives of millions who have been lost and have fallen through cracks in our society. Even the safety nets are flawed. This massive vehicle of Onpassive will find those who have fallen through the cracks and pull them out to safety with the love it was built on, to bring financial justice to all. This humanitarian movement had not been envisioned or attempted until now with Onpassive. This outpouring of love will be a blessing for all. Onpassive will have legacy changes. Legacies that will be left to our families. That legacy will be a legacy of prosperity, not debt. A legacy with love and compassion for the sufferers. All suffering humanity will change. We are role models for change. We know that very soon, we will be leading the change for a better life for those who need financial assistance. A lot of us were attracted by the thought of making as much money as we can. But then something changed. Our hearts and minds shifted from our needs to the needs of others. Onpassive will make sure that all founders are successful. Onpassive will give us the freedom to do what is in our hearts. We will not let anyone or anything defeat us. Founders will prevail. Let us as founders never forget that we are founders for life. There are better days ahead of us very soon. Onpassive is what is going to bring sunshine and blue skies for all our faithful founders in Onpassive. Let us savor the journey and not look back on what did not happen, but focus on all the good that we will be able to give to humanity. Never has anyone extended an opportunity to be able to completely change people's lives. Onpassive is that opportunity of a lifetime. We treasure and love Mr. Ash Mufareh for his unselfish spirit in creating Onpassive. He saw a need and he has fulfilled it. Onpassive has been built. We can tell our families how we were able to give them a legacy to be passed down to generations of our loved ones. No one has been able or thought about doing something positive that could touch the hearts of everyone. Onpassive has done that. Are you ready for all the blessings that Onpassive will give us? Blessings? Onpassive is the ultimate changer for significant difference in the lives of hundreds of millions of people. The people who have been overlooked and neglected are going to be discovered and loved. Those who are users of the internet will benefit from Onpassive. Onpassive will rekindle the hopes and dreams and pockets of so many people. Every part of a person's financial life will change for the better. Onpassive is the caregiver that people who have been ailing financially have needed. Onpassive fills their needs. There are 4.6 billion internet users. What happens to the 4 billion who aren't internet users? The what happens is Onpassive. Love and caring for people extends beyond the internet. Onpassive is built like that. No one will be left out. Watch out, people. Soon Onpassive will be coming to your neighborhood no matter where you live. Please let Onpassive be part of your lives. Onpassive will get you back on the road to recovery. Over 1,400,000 accounts owned by thousands of founders are on that road. Thank you, Mr. Ash Mufareh and staff, for making our hopes and dreams a resounding reality.